Grandma's house. It's the most perfect grandma's house in the world. Okay, let's get started on our project. Hi, Grandma.
I guess we'll start with this one.
Okay.
It's just we'll save it then.
Yeah, just for my notes.
Maybe I'll open up this.
Yeah, these we can totally do whatever we want with these ones.
Yeah, so like for a sample. See, it's always going up that much,
Mm-hmm. So you have to cut down first,
Right.
then go back up. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, that's one. Yeah,
Where
we
the
do
loop
that the
is.
long way. I have to make sure that I have enough. Yeah, it seems to be. You stretch it like that. Seems to be the right way. Okay. And then we stick it in like this. And we make sure that see, there's a little thing and there's a little hole. They have to match. And then push this up. And this has to be loose. Can't sew. This has to be loose. Hold on to it otherwise. Fill as much as we can because there's a lot of sewing to do.
Like to get your own machine?
Yeah, I would. I want to eventually do like pillows.
That'd be nice.
Okay,
You're
now
learning from the expert.
this has to be way up. I'm not an expert, but I
Grandmas are always experts.
sewn a few things in my time. Now this one, I don't have enough vision, so what I do is I put this through.
I use a needle threader.
Yeah,
That's smart.
but I don't even see that.
Bring the thread.
Yeah, to the back. Now, this is a little tricky. This has to go in, and see this little notch?
Mm-hmm.
Then it has to go like that. Gets through. And then you hold it real tight by this thing. And you slip it in here. It has to snap in there. And this has to be like that. Okay. Well, then we take this thread, hold the thread, and go. See what I'm doing here with my. And that's supposed to pull it up. Oh, it did. And I guess stitches. What do you want? About 9. I think this is about right. You just step on the thing then, and it just goes. Okay, everything's fine.
Make sure that's raised when you start, and on the number 3, at least for this one.
Now we will go and see.
What are you doing?
I'm teaching myself how to sew,
Uh-huh.
and I'm not very good at it.
And what's that red thing next to your hand?
This is the Pam cap,
Oh.
or the Pam. That's not for sewing, but
Okay.
okay, so I'm trying to do everything with just one stitch. So I have to do an inside hem. So I measured out 1 inch hem, which gives me a 1/2 inch inside hem.
Okay.
And then I'm doing a 1.5 inch, I don't know, major hem, I don't know what you call it.
Mega hem.
Big hem. So you measure up the 3 inches from the inside hem, which will give me 1.5.
Mm-hmm.
This might all be wrong. And I'm pinning the inside hem down, so when I sew it, I'll sew through 3 layers basically. So this is the thing I'm trying to sew.
Okay.
And you can tell it's already kind of bucked up. Oops, sorry, that's a bad word. Because right here, like, too long. What I don't know is the bobbin. I know you have to pull the bobbin through to the top, but I already did that, and then I had to rethread this needle, and I think the bobbin's already pulled through, so I don't have to do it again. I can see it's through the little hole, but I feel like you have to do it every time you rethread. That's why I'm not really sure. Anyway, so I'm gonna do this.
Sewing with the experts.
And then I put the foot down, or the whatever that is. And this stinks because it's too big to follow a line.
And you have no room behind your sewing machine right now.
Yeah, well, yeah, let's see that. I just have to try really hard to stay straight. So, we'll see.
Let's see what you got, lady. You know what I think? I think you're ready to sew our sails.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yes, we got it. Why are there 2 threads?
Uh-oh.
But I did.
Ooh.
See?
I see, you did a something.
No. Did that.
More curtains, babe.
Yeah. These are for the Cooper and the snoozer.
Mm-hmm.
Will you go upstairs and get that iron for me?
What's going on, girl?
One, I just didn't pull it tight enough as I was sewing.
Oh no.
So it just got like a little janky.
Janky?
You know, like it could get really janky, just like it bunched, you know, so it's not like super tight.
Well, it is going to bunch up when you mount it, so
that's why I
it's
figured
probably
out.
okay if it's a little janky.
It's a little janky. And the second thing, well, the second thing is,
This room is so funny looking.
I thought that with a straight line, it didn't really matter what the width was because it's straight. But I'm pretty sure I had it on the wrong setting.
Oh
because
boy.
when I put my foot down faster, it makes them like closer together, but it should be set at a standard.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, 3, or whatever.
Yeah.
But I feel like
It should step. Well, it depends on if the machine is feeding it at the same speed that you're pulling
The
it.
speed shouldn't make a difference for the width of the way the needle is like going down.
Yeah, that's true.
It should just be going faster or slower, depending on how you put it.
From here, it looks like your stitch line is pretty damn straight, and
Well, it's straight, but it's like
as long as the rod will
like
fit in the
super
pocket,
close together when I was going faster and far apart when I was going slow.
I think you're worried about
I'm
nothing.
just saying it kind of sucks, but I think I'm gonna try a different setting and see if that works.
You know what though? Learning by doing.
Yeah. And then the other thing is, I thought one piece was shorter than the other. That's why I only cut one.
Of the original curtains?
Yeah, but it's not the case. It's just Judy made one side at the very end.
Well, because the window narrows,
Yeah.
it slopes.
But I could have made them. I could have cut out 2 exact pieces
Yeah, I got you.
So now it's just like,
And then just
redo another cut. Like
sew it on an angle.
Yeah, but yeah, you have to sew it on an angle.
That's fine. And that makes sense
Right.
that she did that, actually.
Right.
So you should do that too.
Well, I'm gonna. I'm just saying it sucks is now I have to like measure again.
You know what you should do though?
Too.
Orient your fabric so that
Yeah.
the same side is up, because
I already did it.
that's somewhere where
Baby.
Jody
Already did it.
Judy failed.
Yeah, she did it.
They were upside down. All right, babe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to work.
Yeah. Me too. I need some water. I'm tired.
Well, I'm down at the boat taking care of a couple other things. Virginia wanted me to hang these curtains in the main cabin just to see how they look. I think they look pretty fresh. I dig them. Ooh. That looks pretty good. That one's not done yet.
Before and after.
What does that mean?
Get out of here.
Can you put it back in?
No, I'm getting it out.
Well then, I don't know.
So you can see that what it used to be.
That looks pretty good.
Ugly.
Ooh, that's ugly. All right.
This is what it used to be.
That's what it currently is.
Well, that was everywhere in the whole boat.
Ugh.
So hard. It's sinking so much.
Ooh. Didn't like that. Nice.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Corners look tight.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you looking at, dog? Oh, there it was in it.
New headboard in 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
Good job. I brought the reupholstered headboard down. I think that looks pretty good. Clashes with this comforter, but that's not my department. And here in the head, that's the last of the curtains.